We're researching the turf establishment along a roadside project after doing the project. It's been something that you spend a lot of time and effort on, getting grass to grow and getting people's yards back to the way it was. The current practice right now is when we need to water it, a guy drives out here with a big water truck. It's a lot of wasted water. And I said, well, what if we use some soaker hoses? The guy on the U of M said, yeah, we're kind of developing this system too. They designed it. We applied for opera funding and we got some funding from the local road research board to fund the project. So this is the water supply for the irrigation system. This is a meter system, so we can meter how much water comes off. There's nothing special about this. This is just Home Depot built, Home Depot purchased. So we went with a flexible hose for hooking it to the hydrant, because you can't always put everything where you need it to be. From here runs to the irrigation control system. This is the spreader bar. So it's just what we're going to do is so we can run multiple hoses. These hoses, yeah, it's a soaker hose, so it leaks out of the walls of it, so it's controlled. Set duration, so this would be how long it's going to water. This would be the days you want. I have it running 7 days a week, and you can shut it off and then on. So we'll monitor it for several weeks or a few weeks, depending on how quick it grows.
The Roadside Vegetation Irrigation Testing Project is a great example of the innovative solutions and great work that Minnesota cities and counties are known for.